to my channel. My name is Alex. If you're new here, I'm a cruelty-free E who loves to play with makeup and of course tends to show up whenever she wants. Yeah, that's me. That's the girl. And of course, if you've been here before, welcome back. Today's video is actually a quick video. Actually, with this look, this is a nice soft glam for the summer. I thought it would be cool to use the NYX Ultimate palette, Festival palette. That was a really good. I really want to do a just really pretty look, a soft glam and everything else. I was in the mood. I can't help it when I'm in the mood. You know, just want to have someone with a little makeup today and just have, yeah. And I did a little brown eyeliner just to help to make it a little bit more simple, soft glam and all of that. But yeah, of course, all the products I've used in this video will be linked down below. Guys, I hope you have a wonderful day wherever you're at, and I hope you do like this video. Hit the like button if you do. If you want to be part of the Makeup family, where we're just drama and judge. This is a judgment-free zone, and this is a drama-free zone. We don't do all that crap. We just like to have fun, just chit-chat, whatever. That's what we seem to do. And of course, hit the notification bell so you can be notified of any new videos. Guys, let's get to it before I keep on rambling on. So I already did my base and everything else. I already did this side right here just because I can have something to look at. I am using a NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette and Festival. I'm only using 3 shades just for this nice, easy look you can use. I don't know why I wanted to do with purple, but I kind of went this way because of what the color I'm wearing. I am using the ABH eye primer. I really do like this one. This is like really liquidy, which I'm not very used to, but yeah. And then I'm just going to do a very simple eye look. I'm going to do a very simple face. I'm just going to go with probably a nude lip because I just want to go with a summery pink look. So purples, I do want to go dramatic with. So I'm using number 1, number 3, and number 4. Those are the 3 shades I'm using. This is number 1, 3, and 4. I'm just gonna go this color. These two together. It's the Profusion matte lip liner and the matte cream from Profusion. This was in the shade Lust, and this was the shade of Matte Secrets. below what colors you want to see out of this palette other than purple. Like, what colors you want me to do? I might do a bingo. You want to do a bingo palette, see what I come up with this? Or what do you want to see? And also, of course, hit the subscribe button so you can part of the Makeup Addict family. We are a this is a judgment-free zone, and also this is a drama-free zone. We don't do all of that. We just have to play with makeup. And of course, hit the notification bell so you can be notified of any new videos that I upload. So guys, I love you. I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at, and God bless.